Mac users, this is Hasibur, and I have created this text file AppleScript to create a new text file directly in the opened front finder window. Let's see how this works. And for information that this TXT file AppleScript will work directly from keyboard shortcut only. Let me find that keyboard shortcut, and this is called hyper key and N. Let me open Finder, hyper N, it is created a new TXT file. Hyper N again, it's created a new TXT file again without replacing the previous one. Hyper N again, it's created a new TXT file again. That is how create a new TXT file AppleScript works.